Students, today we are going to start our next topic, chapter number 2, Mapping the Earth. Take out your book, Spring, Semester 1, Class 5 ABC. Yes, now our chapter is complete, but next topic is our Let's Recall. So, here you can see about the whatever previously we have read in the starting of the chapter, in the middle of the chapter, and the ending. Main topics are given here. So here you can see the title of the chapter on the top in the violet color is given in the rectangular shape box, mapping the earth. Then maps are given here. Then you can see the type of the three maps: political, physical and thematic map. So in the starting we have read in the chapter about the maps. Okay, the definition of the map. Okay, कि they can be folded or rolled, they can also be included in books. A book of map is called an atlas. So book of map is called atlas. So next we have read about kinds of maps. Different kinds of map give us different kinds of information. Okay, so we have read about the political map. Here is given political map is which shows the boundaries between states, cities and countries. I have shown the picture of the political map, example of the political map. You then second one is the physical map, which shows the physical features of a place such as hills, mountains, seas and plateaus and plains. Okay, that is physical map. That also I have shown you. Rivers, hills, mountains in the triangle shape mountains are given, and in the blue color rivers are given. Okay, then curvy lines are also given in the picture. Okay, that are physical map. Now next one is thematic map. One question also I have given for you, optional question I have given you about thematic map. The population distribution of India is shown in which map? So three options are given there. Thematic map. Thematic map is which shows particular feature of a region, like climate, like soil, like crops, minerals, vegetations, industries and tourists and sports. Okay, in green, they are in the green color, they are showing the vegetation of a particular place. Okay, like this, in the bottom of the map, in the different colors you can see the for particular soil, crops and minerals and tourist spots also in thematic map. So these are the type of maps. Then second topic is our directions. Second topic is our directions. So then we read about directions. Okay, directions. So in direction we have read about the directions east, west, north and south. You know that there are four directions. Okay, so four main directions are there. So north, I told you that north is on the top. I told you that north is on the top. Okay, then I told you, I have shown you different maps. In that you have learned about the directions. So here again I'm shortly I am going to summarize you about the directions also. Yes, in this map you can see the map of India. In this I told you about the directions, main directions: north, east, south and west. Okay, east, west, north, south. So in sub directions also I have shown in between north and east. In between that northeast is there, and between east and south is southeast, and between west and south is southwest, and between west and north is northwest. Okay, in that I have given you one example of map also. Here I have shown you different states of India in this map with the color particular given: north India, east India, central India, west India, northeast India and south India. Like on the north, Jammu and Kashmir. Like in the east, we have seen this Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. These all are in east. Then in the central, Bhopal, this Madhya Pradesh is here. Okay, and Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Then in the south is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh in the dark green color. Then in our state, here in the west, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, these all are in the west direction. Okay, like this I have told you about directions. Yes, now like this all the directions I have explained you in the chapter about the directions: east, west, north, south, northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. Okay, Now today's our this repetition of summarize of the chapter, half of the chapter I have repeated you again. Try to read it again and understand it again. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so okay students, see you again tomorrow. Bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.